Hey, we back, YouTube. And by the title of this video, I'm trying again. I'm trying to go see about this car, see what it's talking about. Maybe, just maybe, we pulled out today in the new whip. Hey, ain't no guarantees, but hey, sometimes it's God timing. Like, I was about to get this car for 4 years ago. Little less than 4 years, a couple months short of 4 years ago. But it didn't have everything. And then I ain't feel like negotiating. I was just so with the name brand, the styling of it. But now they got one that literally got everything that this car got and then some. So it's not like I'm losing features. It's like, dang, I get to keep everything in this car and then move it over. I don't think it is. I think it's just black seats. And that's cool with me. It's seats. You feel me? You feel me? But this car be going to a good place. I know I'm giving somebody who's going to take care of it, hopefully. Or I'm going to whoop them. Love you, mama. But, yeah. We going to see how the day go. We're going to talk. If the numbers look good, we can sign on the dotted line today. We can. Here you go. My John Hancock. Gonna hand me the keys. But, you know, I ain't gonna give her too much sauce. Hey, if you know the car, if you've been here for a while, comment the car you think I'm talking about. If you get it right, I got you a shout out in my next video and my next live stream. Hey, I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get to the dealership. Yeah, we finally did it. We finally did it. We finally done went Mercedes on them. We done went Mercedes on them. Hey, man, we're gonna about to hop into it, man. We done finally did it. Hey, hold on. Let me. Hey, we done went C-Class on them. Gotta get used to this. Oh, dang. Hey, y'all see that? It's greeting me. Hey, let's go ahead. Let's get the first start up. Hey, hold up. Y'all see that ambient lighting? Yeah. Hey. We're gonna do a deep dive video, but hey, we went AMG on that mug. Yeah. Hey, shout out to Mercedes in Music City. Hey, we're gonna chop it up while I ride in this. Hey, I'll be right back with y'all. Hey, it's been, by the start of the video, y'all know it's been a long time coming. Because the first clip was from like a week ago. Hey, and we did it. We went AMG on them up. Hey, C-Class. Hey, when I say, hey, God is good. Like yesterday, I thought, man, I'm not gonna be in this car. Till today, I'm in it. Hey, I ain't gonna say it's my dream car, but it's been a car I've been having my eyes for a while now. A while. When I say, like, yeah, look at that. Got the blue lights. I'm gonna switch it up, maybe. But my favorite color, blue, cuz. Hey, man. Hey, shout out to Katie from Music City, Mercedes-Benz of Music City, man. Shout out to her. Hey, she really helped me get into the car, did everything, got a good deal. Hey, it is an amazing experience. Look, yeah, we had to play lead on first in the car, man. Lead on band play. Start out, hey, the country you don't know. Hey. We in here, man. It's an amazing experience, man. We are living our dreams right now. Shout out to y'all. This is all possible because of y'all. I promise. Within the next couple of days, we're going to do a full deep dive of the car. We're going to do the front seat, the back seat, the side seat. And yeah, man. Hey, this should be motivation for anybody who out here really trying to grind and get on to whatever level they trying to get to. You can do it. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Hey, it's been years in the making. Like, hey, am I gonna be able to get into this car? I don't want to sell my Lexus, and it's a blessing to be able to get my mom that Lexus, man. So she get her a luxury car. I upgrade to a luxury car. It's really, really. Oh, wow. I need to sell my memory seats too. But this thing where you can have the heated and ventilated seats on. I had to put the ventilator on. We got a little stuffy in this car. But man, hey, shout out to y'all for believing in me, watching my stuff. Hey, y'all motivate me every day. Everybody comment, like, just watching. Hey, true blessings. True blessings. Hey, when I'm gonna do one walkthrough around the car, and we're gonna wrap the video right there, man. But hey, man, I really appreciate y'all. I do. Y'all don't know how much I love y'all. If nobody else told y'all, y'all mean the world to me. Hey, man, I'm gonna catch y'all next vlog, but don't leave just yet. We're doing the walkthrough, so watch the walkthrough of the outside of the car. But I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.
Lead up. 4:44, my alarm going off and I never hit snooze. I get right on my yoga mat, sit at my desk, then I write all my thoughts. If I'm ever confused, it's the way I get over that. Sip a little tea as I sit and I read, then I go walk outside about the time at the sunrise. Never stop grinding, that's the requirement. Quiet my mind, I get tired. Yeah, sometimes welcome you into a day in the life. Finding myself, I ain't chasing the light. Feel how you choose on me, say what you like. Just do me one favor, don't play with my life. I didn't know before, now my soul is aligned. Woke up and had a few goals in my mind, been this good for this long. Like Nolan rhyme, like I'm like Penny D Rose in they prime. Or Grant Hill. Run that back one more time. Oh, it's time to go. That's fine.
If you're skinny, try to have a nice day. If you got a big head, try to have a nice day. If your mama's ugly, try to have a nice day.